Hi friends, welcome back. Today is Monday, which is always a little weird when I have a Monday off. My schedule's a little wacky this week, but it's totally okay. I had to kind of accommodate for Brian working in office a couple of days this week, which is totally fine. I think I've said this before, but the summer is pretty open. With the girls being out of school, we don't really have any sports or anything going on. Well, the girls don't have any sports or anything going on. I can kind of just rearrange my schedule as is, so I was totally cool with that, especially because we went out on the lake yesterday, and I'm a little beat, to be honest with you. So I'm happy to have today off, but I'm about to go fix my hair. I washed my hair last night because it was like really gross and disgusting from lake water. So I washed it, but I woke up this morning and it was so frizzy. So I popped it up because I did also do some wax work, but I need to go straighten it or fix it or do something. But yes, it is currently almost 10 o'clock. I just got finished packing orders. I also made a round of wax this morning and I'm waiting on one more oil package. It sent me a shipping notification last Wednesday, but every time I click the tracking link, it just says label has been created. So I'm giving it a couple more days, and if it still says that, then I'll email them. But I'm waiting on one more wax oil package to come in, and once that comes in, I can start working on the June pre-order. It's not going to take me very long, but I am excited to get started on that. So I'm hopeful that ships hopefully today. It's a Monday. I'm hoping that maybe we'll see some movement. Other than that, since I did get my wax work done today, now I'm going to go do some content stuff. I have some editing, I have some filming, I have lots of things to do today. My father-in-law is here today, so I'm going to try and do things around that, and it might be a little awkward and weird, but I will figure it out. But first things first, I need to go fix this hair because it looks fine right now, but I know once I pull it down, it's going to look crazy. So I'm going to straighten that and kind of see where the wind blows me today. My to-do list isn't very crazy this week. It is, a normal amount. I do also need to meal prep today. I am prepping this week pasta salad for the week because I've been having taco bowls, chicken fajita bowls, just lots of rice with chicken and vegetables for the past few weeks, and I've just been I like it and it's delicious, but I think pasta salad's gonna be the move this week, so I'm gonna make that, especially because the kids really like it. So I'll probably make that a little bit later tonight, but for now I'm gonna go fix my hair and get stuff down upstairs because I have a lot of upstairs work that needs to get done today. It's been a little bit since I've checked in. I actually just woke up from a nap. I don't know what came over me, but I laid down in bed and that was my first mistake. I'll sleep for at least 45 minutes, but it's been a while. But I got everything done that I wanted to get done, which is great. I still think I'm actually going to go upstairs and edit last weekend's vlog, which was literally yesterday, but edit that a little bit and whatever. But I figured before I do all that, I need to meal prep because I want to do this before I forget, basically. And like I told y'all, I'm doing pasta salad. I do kind of just an Italian pasta salad. It's super easy, so therefore I just get a whole thing of Italian dressing. I have my noodles here. I have to cut up some pepperoni and some salami. I have some frozen broccoli, but this is kind of a large bag, so I'm probably only going to use half of that. I have a red bell pepper, and then, I have my mozzarella balls. These are the pearls, so they're super easy to take apart. And then I have some black olives. So I'm gonna make this all right now. I'll show you guys as I go. But yeah, I'm gonna have this done so that way when it comes dinner time, I'm not oh, I have to cook again. You know what I mean? So I just wanna get this done kind of now-ish. I finished making my pasta salad and I was just upstairs. I just finished editing too. It was a pretty quick and easy video to edit. It was the vlog from this past week for the channel members. I don't talk about my channel membership too often, but I do have vlogs and stuff that go for them specifically on the every other weeks. But anyway, I just finished editing that. I was coming down here because I'm about to put on the France. So I'm gonna watch France and who is this? I don't know this country. Iraq maybe? Game. It starts in 3 minutes, and I saw Amazon came. Brian got a couple of packages, but I also got stuff I wanted to share with you. I was opening it right now, but I wanted to share. I also last week ordered some clothes. Okay, listen, from American Eagle. Brian was not getting on me, but he just recently kind of bought a bunch of clothes for himself because he's going through this phase where he doesn't know what he wants to wear, blah blah blah. And I was just laughing, and they're laughing, but I had him do. I was okay, fashion show, because you know how that joke is when girls go back to school shopping or kids go back to school shopping and then they come home and do a fashion show. I can't shut this. It's just gonna sit there. Do a fashion show for their dad. Well, that was funny. And he's when's the last time you bought a bunch of clothes? And I was honestly, I've bought myself pieces here and there, but I haven't bought myself a bunch of clothes in a while. And not that I want to or need to, but there is some stuff I could use, more basics and stuff I could re-up. This jacket that used to be Brian's that I've had for 10 years that I still wear. So I did place an order with American Eagle. They had clearance stuff, and then everything else was like, or it was clearance, but then it was an additional 30% off. So I am gonna do a fashion show for y'all in this vlog, just not today, because I don't want to, but I have it all here. So anyway, I was gonna show you this though. I got 2 things from Amazon. First and foremost, what I ordered yesterday. Did we need these? No. But do I still need them? Yes, because I take a cup of coffee to work every day, and all of my lids for my coffee cups have broken because they were the bamboo lids. These are the straws. So I needed to get new lids, but I was like, let me just get new cups because I want a little bit of a bigger size. The size that I have is a 16 ounce. I'll use those cups at home. These ones I can use for work. So I bought these. I'll link everything below as per usual because I thought they were really cute. Oh, these are the lids. Okay. God, they packaged this so well because I always get nervous buying like glass items online. Okay, so the lids are plastic, which I so much more prefer over the bamboo ones. Oh, that closes. So I'll pull all these out really quick. I do need to like wash all this. So, and like we have 1,000 cups. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden we own 8,000 cups and I don't understand. Here, these are a 20 ounce, so 4 ounces more, but I feel, oh, these feel like really heavy duty actually. These are so nice. The ribbed cups. These are so nice. These were $20. It's not a bad price. Oh, and it comes with little cleaners. I also have about 8,000 of these. So this was my first Amazon purchase. I made this last night because my last bamboo lid finally broke. And I was like, I basically, I had enough at that point. Bought that, and then also my subscribe and save came. So I won't ever really shill a product really to you and be like a medicine type product and be like, this really works, except this. I'm not kidding. My entire life I have had problems, like just problems. Like this is a little personal, but it's just problems. And like there was even a point when I was like a kid that my mom took me to the hospital because they thought I had appendicitis because I was so backed up. Yeah. Like and it's been like that for forever. And it got worse every time I got pregnant because they would prescribe me stupid Zofran, and that makes it worse. And it's just been bad ever since. This is the only product I have found that has made me regular. I have tried a lot. I tried the Ollie prebiotic, probiotic gummies. Those were fine. They're fine. They're fine. But these, let me de-bloat. I'm not kidding you. 2 of these a night. They taste like blackberry. They're gummies. They're delicious. Literally, every day. I don't feel bad. I feel so like I don't get bad, because it can get bad. Don't get bad with these. This was my subscribe and save because I need them. So that was my Amazon order. I'm gonna put on the France game now. I'm gonna let the dog in because she's been out there for like an hour. She needs to come in. It's getting hot. Probably read while I watch the game because that has been really relaxing. Reading whilst watching games that I'm not like super zoned in on, kind of nice. So I'm also gonna throw these. These are so nice. Brian's gonna really like these. Okay, I'm gonna put on the game now. Hey, it's Wednesday. Sorry, I was checking to see what the camera battery was at because I just filmed a long video. Actually, I'm gonna film the short form of it as well. I'm going live on my live stream with my besties here in like an hour, so I want to get all of my filming and stuff done for the morning. I've already done some editing, I've already done some filming. I have a couple more things to film, but we're gonna get through it. I'm very excited. It's a heavy content day today, and I'm looking forward to it, if I'm being honest with you guys. But I'm also just really looking forward to going on a live stream and hanging out. I set up a whole new, the other night, me and Brian just kind of sat here and we went through Streamlabs and OBS and everything, and we just kind of set up a cute new look essentially for the lives. They were just kind of like the webcam before with a countdown timer for reading sprints, but I wanted to add a little extra something special to them, so I did a little bit of work, got some stuff set up for it, so hopefully it works out and looks cute today. But like I said, I'm going live in like an hour, so I do need to finish my coffee. I have a couple reading updates to do. Like I said, the short form adjacent to what I just filmed, which was the new book releases coming out in July, so that should have already been up last week for you guys because I have to edit that today later as well. And then other than that, let me look at my to-do list because today is just, yeah, today is pretty chill. So about that. So I just wanted to say hi because I don't know how often I'm going to update you today, especially because I'm going to be talking like all day, no matter what. Today starts the 2 games at a time. Today starts the 8 games of the World Cup. And I have to either choose which 2 games I want to watch, which game I want to watch of the 2, or have 2 screens going at once. Can you guess what I plan on doing? Bet you can't. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and film my reading updates and such now, and I will check in with you guys probably a little bit later. Okay, you guys ready for a fashion show? I have my box here. It's just been sitting in my closet, and I've tried on 2 pairs of jeans and I haven't tried anything else on, so we're gonna try everything on now. I will say though, I am gonna link every single thing down below for you guys. I also did want to note, hi Avery. I will say though, I'm gonna link everything down below. I also wanted to know, I'm using ShopMy to link everything. I applied for it like a couple of months ago and just recently have been really utilizing it, and I feel like if you also are a content creator or you know use links to share with others, I definitely think it's a good like option for you. So I will put my referral link down below as well. I do want to note that if you do use my referral link, I do get some credit, but I just wanted to say, like, if you are a content creator and you want all of your links like in one space, ShopMy has been really good to me. So I'm gonna do this American Eagle / Aerie haul now. I did get a lot of like the same thing but in multiple colors. I think it's just one top actually, if I'm being so for real. So let's try everything on. Okay, so I haven't taken any tags off of anything yet, but this is the top that I got in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Very unlike me, very like Brian. It was on sale for like $11, so I figured it was great. This is like a waffle knit, kind of tighter top. Y'all know me. I like to wear my graphic tees that have like longer sleeves. Normally I shop in the men's section, but this is just like, I figured, girl, you need to start. This is everyday basics, you know what I mean? So this is in like a nice burgundy color. I do have it with, I don't know if you guys can see the pants, so let me tilt it down a pinch. So these are the first pair of pants that I got. These are the curvy, super high-waisted mom jeans. A lot of the pairs of jeans that I have are mom jeans. I have 2 pairs of skinny jeans that I'm kind of nervous to wear because like I don't even feel like I'm comfortable in them anymore. I'm mostly comfortable in the mom jeans because they are so cozy, but I also have a pair of bootcut that I really like. But it's crazy, I haven't worn bootcut jeans since like elementary school, so when I bought those, that was like way out of my comfort zone. So anyway, okay, I'll keep the jeans on for these tops and then I'll change them potentially. But first pair of jeans, I like them. The one thing about mom jeans that I hate though is just how like weird the bottoms are, which is why I'm trying a new style. We'll try those, but here's the top, here's the jeans. I'll show you the other colors that I got. So I also got it in this like light heather gray. This might be one of my, okay, so I have like 3 favorite colors: emerald green, brown, and this heather gray. You're about to find out, girl, in the other items that I bought, but I also got it in this gray color, in emerald green. Then I got it in 2 different stripe colors. So I have this one, which is like a green and a blue, and then this one, which is like a blue and a red. This was my wild card kind of color stripe coordination because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but it almost looks like a brown versus like a deep red, so I kind of vibe with it. I know this color combo doesn't work, but I also got a pair of black jeans. Now, I actually shockingly don't own any black jeans. These are the new style. I'll show you them. I have a lighter color as well. They're called the curvy stovepipe. I think we're just coming up with names for jeans now, but I like them because they're tight on top, which is what I like, but then they get kind of flared toward the bottom, which kind of mess with. Like, I think it looks good. So this is the black pair, and then this is the kind of lighter wash pair. They are ripped. I feel like every pair of jeans I own, maybe except for those black ones, I have ripped knees, but it's kind of my vibe. And I don't know, I feel like they're really comfortable. Like, they don't feel like restricting in any way. Like, they actually feel very comfy, and I can see me wearing these with just like Vans all the time. So I have one more t-shirt and then kind of like a couple of loungy options. Then this one I only got in one color, which is honestly shocking because I think between the 2 different styles of t-shirt, this is way more my style. It has the longer sleeves, it's a little bit more flowy. It is cropped, but I wear high-waisted stuff all the time, so it doesn't bother me. And also, if you click on the link and you look at the color options, you'd be like, Kristen, why did you go with light blue and white? Bestie, I don't know, that's not my style usually, but I kind of like it, and I think it's pretty, and it gives me like summertime vibes. And if these go on sale again, I might get a couple more of these because I think it's like the boyfriend oversized fit. It's very cozy. And here we are back with the light heather gray. I got this pullover. It's like a cropped half zip. I don't know, but I found that I've been wearing my Victoria's Secret pink burgundy one for forever. I've had that since I was like 18. I'm gonna be 32 this year, so I was like, let me get something similar, and this is just really cozy. I feel like I could wear this literally anywhere, just toss it on, and it's just soft, and it's cropped though. That's my only issue, is I hate things that are cropped all the time, but like I could get past it because this is just so cozy. I had to buy something all brown. If you have been watching me for a while, you know I have this essentially exact same thing from Aerie in dark green. It's one of my new favorite things. I wear it all the time. They had it in this called like deep earth color, whatever. It's a brown. The only difference is it has a freaking front pocket, y'all. The other one doesn't have a front pocket and it needs one, and this is so comfy. So I get this in my exact size, which is a medium. I could easily have sized down for sure. I knew that too in ordering, but I was like, you know what? I love how big and cozy this thing is. I'm gonna get it in a medium. I wear the green one all the time, so I know I'm gonna wear this one all the time, especially because it has a freaking pocket. It has a freaking pocket. You need those. Okay, only a couple more items, but now the more that I'm wearing this t-shirt, I'm like, I should totally wear this when we go see Toy Story, because like the light blue and the white reminds me of the clouds. Anyway, I got these sweatpants, okay? These are the ones that are long and like boyfriend sweatpants. I've been seeing all the girlies wear these, and I've been getting jealous because first of all, they look so comfy, and oh my God, they are. This is the first time I'm putting them on, and they're so cozy. They have pockets. But like, I don't know, it just looks so cute. Like, will I wear these out? Probably not. Maybe if we do like a late night Costco run or something. But like, these are just so comfy, and I really just wanted to wear them, especially because they were on sale, and I don't know, vibe with them. Last but not least, I didn't mean to make it a matching set, but I guess I kind of did. Y'all know I wear jackets all the time, like literally all the time. I had one on today that was Brian's that he got when he was 18. They'd had this nice one. I figured I've never had like a light colored one. I always get black. So I was like, you know what, let's get this one. And it coincidentally matched, I mean, kinda, the pants. So catch me at your local Costco. And that, my friends, is my American Eagle haul. Do you like everything? Do you think the pants look okay? Do the shirts look okay? I know for a fact all the cozy stuff's my jam, but like the tight shirts and the pants. Do we like the pants? I don't know. I'll have to show Brian and see what he thinks. But thanks for coming to my fashion show. Hey, it's Wednesday. I'm here to end the vlog because I clearly didn't on Saturday at all. Basically, I had that one clip. We went and saw Toy Story 5, which was really, really cute. The girls really, really liked it, which is the most important. I liked it too. It's always good when you go to the movies and the kids have a good time. And then we mostly spent the rest of the day like as a family. We did have a Costco run because I think we went like 2 weeks ago. Brian was running out of his sparkling waters. The girls had finished their Gatorades, and we wanted to get a couple more just like quick. I guess like if we're lazy, if we're feeling lazy dinner ideas that can go in the deep freezer, such as like French bread pizzas, gyoza, just like basic stuff. We wanted to have that just in case. And once we got back from Costco, our neighbors texted and were like, hey, we're putting up the water slide. Do you want to come over? So we basically did that the whole rest of the day. And therefore, I just like, I don't know if I just forgot to or if it was just laziness, which like it fully could have been just laziness, but I just didn't vlog the rest of the day. And I'm sorry about that. But we had a pretty solid vlog. I started editing this, and that's when I realized, hey, Kristen, you didn't finish this at all. And that's sort of why I'm on here now, to be like, hey, sorry I didn't finish the vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. I have a bunch of stuff to link for you guys, which I'm really excited about. A lot of good stuff. I have been using those cups all week so far, over the past 2 weeks actually, because it was last weekend, wasn't it? No, it was this weekend. Was it last weekend? No, it was this weekend. What is time? It's fleeting. But I have been using those cups and I've been really enjoying them. I like how much bigger they are. I don't know what it is. I just think I get a little bit more creamer in them, and that's why I'm so excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said. Nonetheless, it was a pretty solid vlog. I've been wearing, as you can see, all my clothes, and I've been really enjoying them. I can't wait till I can finally wear the pants for the, like, you know, month that it's cold here in Austin. As you can see, I'm getting ready for the day right now. I'll link this shirt too. I showed it to my channel besties last week, but it's like one of my newest favorite shirts. I got this at Hollister like 3 or 4 weeks ago when we went to the mall. Why did we go to the mall? Couldn't tell you. But I will say Hollister does have really cool like soccer related clothes, like a lot of like really dope stuff. And I saw they had a bunch of the new World Cup stuff, and they have this really cool USA shirt, which I picked up because I really, really liked it. So I already have this link ready to go, so I can just link this for you guys if you want to see it. The back is way cooler than the front. The men's national team play today. They're in the round of 32. This is their first knockout, and I'm so anxious. I've been like enjoying, and I say that very lightly, the knockout stage. My bracket got so destroyed when Germany lost. Like, that was actually terrifying for me. So I'm a little sad about Germany losing because it destroyed my entire bracket, but I have really been enjoying the knockout games. And I say that as someone who's really anxious. Oh, I just got mascara right there. Really anxious for tonight. If we get knocked out by Bosnia and Herzegovina, I'm gonna have a meltdown. I may or may not cry, which is really funny because when I was watching Germany lose, I was getting really emotional. And Reagan is like, why are you so upset? And I'm like, oh, because the team that like needed to move on and the team that I cared about they're losing, they're getting knocked out. And then Reagan goes, well, you don't cry when I lose. And I thought that was really kind of sweet, actually. It made me feel a little sad. But yeah, anyways, I'm so nervous about tonight. I'm very hopeful, but this is going to be a whole separate vlog. I'm just here to say I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me over the weekend. Next time you'll see me will be next weekend, and I don't think we have any plans, to be honest with you. It's like summer's almost over. It's going so quickly, so I'm sure we'll make some sort of plans and we'll hang out some sort of time. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I can still see that mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.